Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we'll be explicating the relationship between the term effective and efficient in an attempt to demystify the meaning of the two outline words. When it comes to being effective versus efficient, there's a lot of similarities, and because of this they're often misused and misinterpreted, both in daily use and in application. Utilizing both an effective and efficient methodology in nearly any capacity of work and life will yield high levels of productivity, while a lack of it will lead to a lack of positive results. For all intents and purposes, let's begin by defining efficiency and effectiveness in general terms, obtained from dictionary.com. Effective means adequate to accomplish a purpose, producing the intended or expected result. In simple terms, effectiveness is about doing the right task, completing activities, and achieving goals. Similarly, efficient means performing or functioning in the best possible manner with the least waste of time and effort. In simple terms, efficiency is about doing things in an optimal way. For example, doing it the fastest or in the least expensive way. It could be the wrong thing, but it was done optimally. Effective versus efficient. When it comes to using the words effective and efficient, you want to ensure you're expressing yourself in the most accurate way. What is the biggest difference between the two? If you're stating that a goal was made in an adequate way, you'd use the word effective. But if you want to convey an accomplishment that also saves time, money and effort, you'd use efficient. See below for a list of instances in which you would use these particular adjectives. When to use the word effective? When something produced a result. When an established goal was met. When something gets accomplished. Examples of using the word effective. Sally's method of mopping the kitchen floor proved to be effective. Using a pen and paper is an effective way to journal about your personal experiences. Because of his effective presentation, the stakeholders better understood how the process worked. When to use the word efficient? When emphasizing how a result was met. When focusing on how something was done in an optimal way. When conveying that a task or goal exceeded expectations. Examples of using the word efficient. Because of his efficient manner, he completed more than a day's work in just 4 hours. The waitress worked efficiently to ensure the diners received the food in a timely manner. Jerry's efficient study habits helped him memorize the reading material and leave early for the holiday break. Bottom line, understanding the differences between being effective versus efficient is undoubtedly a key component when it comes to maximizing productivity. It's simply working smart so that the intended results are achieved in the best way possible. Key differentiation. The difference between effectiveness and efficiency can be summed up shortly, sweetly, and succinctly. Being effective is about doing the right things, while being efficient is about doing things right. As you can see, while something effective produces results, something efficient does the end more. It produces results while also emphasizing the lack of waste in regards to time, money, and effort. So that's pretty much it. If you guys found this video useful, I'd appreciate if you guys could subscribe to the channel and share this around. Cheers.